Welcome to another one with math video. Today's video will be deriving the three Pythagorean identities. For the first Pythagorean identity, sine squared of theta plus cosine squared of theta equals 1. Let's say that we have a right triangle with our angle theta. Let's label our three sides. We have x and y as our two legs and r as our hypotenuse. Then, by the Pythagorean theorem, we have x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Now let's use the cumulative property of addition to swap the x squared and y squared to get y squared plus x squared equals r squared. Then let's divide both sides by r squared. We know that r squared over r squared is 1. But what is y squared over r squared? Well, we know that sine of theta from our triangle is y over r. So if we square both sides, we get sine squared of theta equals y squared over r squared. And let's substitute that in. Then for x squared over r squared, well, we know that cosine of theta is x over r. And square both sides, we get cosine squared theta equals x squared over r squared. And then we'll substitute that in. And from here, we have proven the Pythagorean identity of sine squared of theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. The next two identities are going to be very short compared to the first one. So we'll take the sine squared of theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. And let's divide both sides by cosine squared theta. Sine squared theta over cosine squared theta is tangent squared theta. Cosine squared theta over cosine squared theta is 1, and 1 over cosine squared theta is secant squared theta. Hence, we've proven the second Pythagorean identity. For the third Pythagorean identity, we'll take that same sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Now, instead of dividing both sides by cosine squared theta, we're going to divide both sides by sine squared theta. Sine squared theta over sine squared theta is 1. Cosine squared theta over sine squared theta is cotangent squared theta, and 1 over sine squared theta is cosecant squared theta. Hence, we've proven the third Pythagorean identity. Here's something interesting about the third Pythagorean identity. 1 plus cotangent squared theta equals cosecant squared theta. We can rewrite this as cotangent squared theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant squared theta. Now, from the second one, we have tangent squared theta plus 1 is equal to secant squared theta. You can use this to remember the third one. Well, we'll just copy and paste. And for the third one, we have cotangent square of theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square of theta. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more, click on the video on screen to keep learning. Thank you.